everybody singing, oh. I don't know what it is about you. It must be in the way you move. Just say you want me to. We've got nothing to lose. You're looking so old. You're looking so old.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ebony if you're new here. In today's video, we are tackling the laundry. So I have a laundry motivation video for you guys today, and I know you love these type of videos. I believe the last time I actually did one was about a year ago. It will be a year ago next month. So I'm super excited to bring this video to you guys today. And the first load of laundry we're going to tackle is the towels. Now, normally I tackle the towels at the end of my laundry project, but today we are doing the towels first. I didn't want to leave this epic fail out, but I went ahead and made use of the fabric softener. So after I wiped it up, I actually just threw that cloth in the wash, but I definitely didn't waste it. So hey, I made up for it. I also wanted to mention to go ahead and subscribe to my channel, or if you are needing any type of motivation within the home to get something done, whether that's organizing, cleaning, any type of motivation, this is definitely the channel for you. And I want to be completely honest with you guys. I am normally not the one that does the laundry. I am normally the one that just keeps everything pretty much organized and clean 95% of the time within the household. But I definitely want to do a laundry motivation, because if I had to do it, I would do it. But it's definitely not my favorite chore within the house. So, but I know you guys love these videos, so I wanted to make one. And hopefully if you have a ton of laundry to tackle today, to go ahead and let's go ahead and do it together. I know these type of videos always motivates me to get something done, especially if it involves cleaning the house, just to give me a little bit of motivation. So if you have a load that you need to tackle, let's go ahead and tackle it together.
I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you. Oh! Let me love you. Baby, let me love you. Let me love you. Let me love you. Let me love you.
I also wanted to add a few laundry tips in here, and my number one laundry tip or hack would be to have a designated location for every single thing. So whenever you are folding your clothes, right after you fold them and you're putting them back, that you know exactly where everything goes. It will make this process so much faster. And then whenever you put all your clothes and linens up, it makes things look organized and neat. So I would definitely recommend that everything has a designated area. Another tip would be is making sure that everyone pitch in. So for the most part, like I said, I don't do much laundry within the household, but I definitely try to help maybe put things up or fold, or maybe surprise my partner with doing it one day or things like that. So definitely make it a team effort. It shouldn't just be one person in the household doing the laundry every single week. And if it is, that's fine, but make sure you guys balance each other out where, you know, you're taking care of something else. But I just wanted to throw that tip in there because that definitely helps our household.
Nothing to lose. You're looking so old. You're looking so old. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you. Let me love you. Let me love you. Let me love you. Baby, let me love you. Let me love you. Let me love. Let me love. Baby, let me love you.
Another tip would be, once the hamper is full, to go ahead and tackle those clothes. I know some people have certain days that's designated for laundry, which is fine, but I definitely would recommend once it's full to go ahead and tackle that load, so you're not having so much laundry to do at one time. A lot of times if you have a huge hamper and you fill it all the way up to the top, it becomes like this massive project. So I would definitely recommend either buying a smaller hamper to where you do your loads more frequently, rather than waiting like 2 or 3 weeks to wash your clothes and then everything's piled up and it becomes overwhelming. So either purchase a smaller hamper, or if you have a smaller hamper, once it gets full, to not just let it pile up, but just to go ahead and tackle that laundry.
Let love you. When I look in your eyes, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk.
If you are enjoying this video so far and it definitely motivated you to get up and tackle that load, or even to clean your house, or just to simply make your bed, I would love for you to go ahead and like this video, and also comment down below and let me know what your least favorite chore is to do within your household. I love seeing you guys' comments. But yeah, go ahead and let me know in the comment below what your least favorite chore would be. And of course, mine would be the laundry.
Wake up. Now I don't wanna wake up. I don't wanna wake up without you, baby, without.
This is pretty much my last load, but I do throw Eleni's blanket or her comforter into the wash as well. But for the most part, this white load was my last load. And of course, we don't have many. Honestly, our whites, we can let those pile up for about 2 weeks and we still don't have much. We don't keep many whites within our household, but that is our last load today.
Baby, without, I wouldn't know what to do. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know. When you are with me, sometimes I forget to breathe. I'm looking in your eyes.
I have always been a person that folds my bottom, so like I'll fold my pants, my shorts, my leggings, but I always hang up my shirts. So let me know in the comments below, do you fold every single thing and place it in a dresser or a cube organizer, or do you hang up all your things? I've always, like I said, I've always hung up my shirts but folded my pants. So I would just like to know in the comments below what your preference is.
Baby, without.
This literally has nothing to do with this video, but just looking back at it, I am really getting tired of this red comforter. I'm so ready to go back to white. About a year ago, before we moved into this apartment, we had a white comforter, and I was getting tired of the white for a little bit, so we went to this clay colored comforter, which is a beautiful comforter. We purchased it from Target, but I can definitely tell that I'm ready to go back to my white or maybe a cream color. So sometimes it's like I want a little bit of color, and then sometimes I just want to go back to my neutral colors.
Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know. Baby, without.
Also, I feel like this room is definitely something that's lacking a lot of decor. I haven't really decorated this room, so hopefully by summertime frame I'll add a little bit more bohemian style in it, or like some neutral colors. We've literally only put that canvas piece up that's right behind me, but that's literally all we've hung within this room. We do have some lights on the other side hanging above the windows, which is really, really nice, especially at night. But for the most part, we have not done anything to the bedroom, so that's definitely on my to-do list for this summer.
On the run from my given disaster, speed away from the holy mind. Pride, that's where I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness.
As you guys saw, I put all of my pants and pajamas and my socks and underwear in my cube organizer, and then I hang up my shirts. But that cube organizer has definitely been a game changer. I did a closet organization hacks video, so I will put that in the description box below if you're needing any type of tips or hacks or tricks on how to make a small closet functional. That video will definitely help you out, and I'll put it in the description box below if you want to check that video out.
Keep on driving and driving.
Another tip I always recommend whenever you are organizing your closet or trying to keep it organized is to move like your empty hangers to a designated spot. So right where the camera is actually where we keep all the loose hangers. So we hang them up on that end. And so that makes it a lot easier. I knew that I had to hang up these shirts and I wanted to place them on a hanger. I knew exactly where my hangers were instead of having to go through all of my clothes and grab the empty hangers. So that's definitely a game changer whenever doing laundry, and that tip works amazing.
Keep on driving and driving along the roads and end. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red.
So this was our last load that I wanted to tackle, which is our white clothes. We literally had about 10 items, but I just wanted to go ahead and get it over with and put them where they go. And then the last little thing I did was move Eleni's comforter from the washer to the dryer, and then we put it on like the next morning, but I didn't get to record that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it inspired you or gave you some motivation to get something done today. And of course, I will see you guys next Sunday at 3 p.m. Eastern time, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.
Memories just lingers on repeat like it is never